Ever wondered how to navigate the digital world of coding, finance, and social media like a pro? Welcome to Cultured Code Crafters, the beacon in the digital storm. We're here to guide you through the intricate maze of the digital realm with expert tutorials, insightful tips, and invaluable insights. From coding to finance, social media, and beyond, we've got you covered. So whether you're looking to upgrade your game or just starting out, Cultured Code Crafters is your go-to channel for all things digital. Dive into the world of coding with our expert tutorials. Here at Cultured Code Crafters, we've got an array of insightful video guides to help you navigate the digital landscape with ease. Our popular series, The Ultimate Laptop Buying Guide, Master Your Hunt, and The Ultimate Monitor. Buying Guide, Master Your Hunt, are your go-to resources for making informed tech purchases. These guides break down the key aspects of each device, helping you find the perfect match for your needs. Looking to build your own PC? Then our Build Your Dream Computer, a step-by-step guide, is just what you need. It simplifies the process of selecting the right components, making it a breeze to assemble your powerhouse. And if you're caught in the classic iPhone versus Android dilemma, our video tutorial can help you weigh the pros and cons, aiding you in making the right choice. These tutorials are designed to make complex topics simple and accessible. Master money-making strategies with our savvy finance videos. Here at Cultured Code Crafters, we provide a wealth of knowledge to help you navigate the financial side of the tech world. From making informed decisions on your tech purchases to understanding how to monetize your digital skills, our videos offer a plethora of insights. Imagine being able to buy that dream laptop without breaking the bank, or knowing exactly how to choose the right components for your dream computer while staying within your budget. That's the power of smart financial decisions. And it doesn't stop there. We also delve into the world of digital entrepreneurship, providing guidance on how to turn your coding skills into a lucrative business. In the vast landscape of technology, financial savvy is your compass. It's what allows you to explore, innovate, and thrive without getting lost in the whirlwind of expenses. With our videos, finance won't feel like a foreign language anymore. Social media can be a maze, but it doesn't have to be. Cultured Code Crafters is here to help you navigate through it all. We offer comprehensive insights into various social media platforms and provide you with effective strategies to fuel your growth. Our videos are designed to equip you with the know-how to build a strong online presence and expand your digital influence. So, why wait? Join us on Cultured Code Crafters to elevate your digital game. Ready to craft your success in the digital world? Here at Cultured Code Crafters, we're all about elevating your game in coding, finance, social media, and beyond. From choosing the perfect tech gear to mastering the art of social media growth, we provide expert tutorials, insights, and tips to help you thrive. So why wait? Step into our community of savvy strategists, elegant coders, and digital dynamos. Subscribe now for savvy strategies across digital realms. Become a part of our community, and let's craft success together with sophistication.